Hi everyone, my name is Tora Vias and I'm glad to see you on my channel Lovely Makeup Hair School. Today I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful fishtail. First, we divide the hair for 3 parts. Just one time. In second row, we divide the hair for 2 parts. Then it's become so easy and you just continue braiding. We can make braid more beautiful if we expand it. See how beautiful it looks. We can add more beauty and add any accessories for your choice. Now you can see how easy to transfer regular fishtail into the beautiful hairstyle. I think it could be a good choice for wedding, for bridesmaids. Thank you for watching, guys. I really appreciate it. If you like my video, please sign up and don't miss anything new. Bye.